Hello friends, today we are here with our new video, and in this video we will see some of the mathematical and scientific constants that are available in the Numpy library. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to import the Numpy library. Import Numpy as NP. Run this cell. Now first we will deal some of the mathematical constant. So first some mathematical concept. Let me just do print np dot. Okay, first is the infinite. How to represent infinite in Numpy? So np dot inf represent the infinite. So this is by default the positive infinite. You can even represent the negative infinite using negative I and f. Okay, so that is positive infinite and that is negative infinite. The third is, sometimes you will have a condition where a number is not a value. So how to represent it that anything is not a number? That is using this nan, not a number. So when you encounter nan anywhere, so nan basically refers to the not a number. So that value or variable is not a number. The next is the negative 0. np dot n zero. Okay, so np dot n0 represent negative 0, and similarly you can represent the positive 0, p zero. Okay, positive 0. So you can see these 5 basic mathematical constants. First is the infinite, or we can say the positive infinite. Second, negative infinite represented by n. Third, nan, not a number. The next is negative 0, and the last one is the positive 0. Next we will see some of the basic scientific constants. Again, print statement np, then e, the most basically used e, and its value should be 2.71 something. Yeah, you see its value 2.71. it is mostly used in mathematics, physics, like in this field to deal with equations. Next is Euler Gamma, EULER. Okay, Gamma. Okay, so you can see Euler Gamma is 0.57721, and one of the most important is the pi. Simply use write np.pi, and you can see the value of pi 3.14. So these are the basic scientific constant. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.